In this video, we'll show you how to use cloud phones for social media management. Let's get started. This is your Multilogin dashboard. This is where you create and manage all your cloud phones. Multilogin gives you real Android phones that run in the cloud. Use them to manage separate social media accounts for clients, brands, teams, or niches. Click Create to set up your first cloud phone. Name your profile and choose the number of phones you want. Each phone is a separate Android device. Select Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform you will be using as your use case. It will add the corresponding icon next to your profile as your use case. You can also add tags to organize accounts by client, platform, or campaign. Add a proxy to give your phone its own local IP address. Select Multilogin as your provider. Pick where your phone should connect from. Choose from more than 150 available locations. Choose a phone brand and model to create a realistic Android environment. Click Create to save your setup. Click the play button to launch your cloud phone. Your phone is ready to use. Tap, scroll, and navigate, just like on a physical device. The sidebar gives you access to file uploads, screen controls, and additional settings. Open the Apps icon to access the App Store. Download the apps you need, such as Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, or Pinterest. Open your apps directly from the Android menu. Sign in and start creating content, replying to messages, managing communities, or scheduling posts from one place. Repeat the same steps for other platforms or accounts you need, and you can manage them in parallel. Multilogin cloud phones make social media management simple and organized. Click the link below to learn more.